Alright, welcome back, and today I'm talking about the best time management techniques for FRM exam. Alright, do you know that most of the candidates, they are not even able to solve all the 100 questions? The reason for that is time management, and they are just able to solve 80-90 questions, and the rest, they just take a guess on the exam and just move on. And so today I'm going to share some time management techniques. You can pick up whatever that works for you. If you have already identified what works for you, please follow that. Let's get into it. Okay, so the very first technique that I would suggest to you is that you can divide the entire 4 hours into 1 hour each. Okay, as an example, in the first 1 hour, you'll be solving 25 questions. In the second 1 hour, 25, third 1 hour, 25, and the fourth one. So similarly, you are giving yourself a target that, okay, in the next 1 hour, I have to just look at 25 questions. I'll solve that and I'll move on to the next one. Now, even if you're stuck, let's say 22 questions in 1 hour, okay, no problems. Move on to the next bucket. So this way you can divide that 4 hours, and mentally you will have that kind of a target that, okay, I have this particular target and I'm going to just follow that. That's one thing. The other technique that you can use is that you can go for like 2 hours, you have to complete 50 questions. Next 2 hours, you have to complete 50 questions. That's another way that you can just give yourself mentally a target that, okay, 2 hours, you know, you have 50 questions each. Anything that you just miss out, you have to move to the next time slot. That's exactly you need to follow. And if you want to give get into a micro level kind of a thing, what perhaps you can do is you can just give yourself a target of like 2.4 minutes for every question, because ideally that's what we get for part 1 exam, right? So 2.4 minutes maximum that you would spend on any single question, and if you get it or you do not get it, you simply move on to the next one. So this is one thing that you can do it. And once you have time later, because on the exam some would be easier, some would be difficult question, and exactly this is my point, guys. This is my point. If you are able to solve 80 questions, that means you were stuck on those difficult questions and you were not able to solve, or rather not pick up the easier ones. Perhaps that could have improved your quartiles or score. That's the important thing, guys. Time management is crucial. Knowing the concepts, practicing a lot of questions, doing all the hard work, but just able to solve 80 to 90 questions, certainly there's a problem. Okay, and you need to rectify that. Now, how do you rectify, or how do you practice all these time management techniques? Well, mock exams. You have the mock exams, give it in a proper simulated time manner, like just whatever your time slot is, 9 to 1, 1 to 4, whatever your time slot is, sit like it's your actual exam, give like your actual exams, and note down what things went right, what went wrong, and remember that experience perhaps for the exam day, so that you can apply any of the things that you might have learned. All right, so with that being said, guys, this is all that I have for time management techniques for FRM part 1. Stay connected for more videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.